Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Children, in this video, I'm going to explain the uses of two important words, and those words are some and any. Children, some and any are determiners that are used to indicate unspecified quantity or degree. I have already made a video on determiners. Link of that video I'm giving in the description box. See that video to clear all your doubts regarding the determiners. Now we start with the uses of some and any. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share with others. Now let us start with the video. First we start with the uses of some. Some is used in positive sentences. Let us see the examples. I have some money to spare for the fair. My brother will do some exercise in the evening. My teacher gave me some good advice. Children, all these are positive statements, positive sentences. So, we can say we use some in positive statements. Next use of some is in interrogative sentences while making an offer. Let us now see the examples. First is, would you like to have some tea? Children, see, would you like to have some tea? Here, this is an interrogative sentence. The person is offering the other person something. That is the tea here. Would you like to have some tea? The person is asking whether the person would like to have some tea or not. It means you are offering, okay, children, tea to other person. Next is, do you want some sugar? Both the sentences, children, here make an offer. But first sentence is more formal than the second one. Now we come to the next use of some. When we ask for things or we make a request for something, we use some. Can you give me some sugar? Can I have some water? Will you give me some tips to pass the exam? In all these sentences, children, a request has been made using some. That too in interrogative sentences. Can you give me some sugar? You are asking, you are requesting the other person for sugar. Can I have some water? You are asking for water. Will you give me some tips? Again, children, you can see in all these we are making request. Okay, children, but all are interrogative sentences. Some is used when we talk about someone or something that is unknown to us, unknown to you. Example, I met some writer who impressed me. Miss Writer is not known to the person who is the speaker here. I met some writer. I met some stranger. We don't know who that person is actually, but I met that person. Okay, children? The person unknown to us, for that also we use some. Next is when we talk about someone or something particular without telling which one, then also we use some. Let us now see the examples. Some naughty boy rang our doorbell. Some lucky person will win the gift hamper. Here we are talking about the boy who is naughty without telling his name or without disclosing the identity of the person. And in the second sentence, about the person who is lucky. Let us now revise the uses of some. Some is used in positive sentences and while making an offer, when we ask for things or we request for something, when we talk about someone or something that is or who is unknown to us, and someone or something particular without telling which one. Clear, children? Now we come to the uses of any. Any is used in negative sentences. Children, we use some in positive, but we use any in negative sentences. Let us see the examples. There isn't any fruit in the basket. This is negative sentence. There isn't any fruit. Present tense, but negative. My brother will not do, future simple tense, will not do any exercise in the evening. He did not get any new notebooks. Okay, children, all are negative sentences. Then we use any. Clear? Now, second one is we use any to ask a question. See the examples, children. Is there any bread in the fridge? Have you made any friends in the new school? Do you need any money? Children, we use any to ask the question. but we do not make any request or offer. We just ask question to get some information. Is there any bread in the fridge? Yes or no. The other person will inform you. Yes, there is or there is not. Have you made any friends? Again, we want some information from the other person. Do you need any money? Whether you need any money or not. Yes or no. Okay, children? All these are used to seek some information, not for offer or request. Now we come to next use of any. Any can be used with a conjunction. Let us see the examples, children. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. If, children, is a conjunction that is used in a conditional clause. This is a conditional clause sentence. If you have, there is a condition. If, using if. Okay? You can take any flavor of coffee and is the conjunction here. And two sentences have been joined together using the conjunction and. You can take any flavor of coffee and you can eat biscuits with it. I don't have any paper, nor do I have any pen with me. Sentence joined using nor. Obviously, this is a negative sentence, but conjunction has been used here. Clear, children? We use any with a conjunction also. Let us now revise uses of any. Any is used in negative sentences. It is used to ask a question. It can be used with a conjunction. Now, children, uses of some and any both. Both are used, though I have already told you, I have already given you the examples, but here there is little, something different from what I have already told you. Examples are almost the same, children. They are used with countable and uncountable nouns, countable plurals, obviously. My father will buy me some books. Books is plural. Is this clear, children? Are you getting it? My father will buy me some books. Some is used with plural countable noun. We can count the books. 1 book, 2, 3, 4. I do not have any food for you. That is uncountable noun. We have used any. We can't count the food. Food is the collective, is the name. This is the collective noun, name for all different things. Chapati and the lentils and vegetables, so many things there. I have some bread. Some bread. Again, uncountable noun, children. I don't have any bread in the fridge. Uncountable noun. Okay? We use some and any with plural countable and uncountable nouns. Other important thing, children, we use some and any without a noun also. Sometimes they are used without a noun. Let us see the examples. Shweta did not send me any photographs, but Ruchi sent some. Here in the next part of the sentence after but, we are not using the word any photographs again. Means from some word it is clear that we are talking about the photographs. Is there any bread in the house? Yes, there is some in the fridge. We are not repeating again bread here. Some, or we can say no, I don't have any. We can use some and any without a noun also. Normally, we use some or any with nouns. Here is the time to test yourself. Here is an exercise. We have to fill in the blanks using some or any. They did not have dash milk. I hope it is clear. This is a negative sentence. Will you give me dash salt? Will you give me? A question. You are asking for something. I did not leave. Again, a negative sentence. My father knows dash of them. Positive statement here. There are dash apples in the basket. Positive statement. We do not have dash apples in the basket. Negative sentence here. Do you have dash A4 sheets? Now here you are asking the person something. You have to guess what will come here, children. He hasn't got dash pens for you. Again, negative statement. Clear, children? If still you have any doubts, I am giving you the answers. You can match your answers, children. Or if you need more time to look for sentences, you can pause the video and solve it yourself. I hope you like this video. All your doubts regarding some and any are clear. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching my video.